Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to secure your Trust wallet with biometric authentication. Now for us to get this done, the first thing that we're going to do is tap and open the gear icon here at the top, and then we're going to go ahead and head over to the security. Now here, what you're going to do is enable the passcode, and then you're going to have to create one. I know that you're not seeing this right now, but basically I am creating my own passcode as of the moment. So after creating your own passcode, you should be back in here. Now what you're going to do is click the lock method, and then instead of choosing just passcode, which is by default, you're going to go ahead and make sure that you have selected passcode and biometric. So it's going to utilize your phone's biometric. In my case, I'm using the fingerprint. So yeah, that is basically how you are going to enable this one. So when you close and open this once again, what's going to happen is that you will be asked to present your own security code or your biometrics. And yep, that is how it works, everybody. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to secure your Trust wallet with biometric authentication.